So what is this for?
This is Gigi Baba.
Gigi
When
Baba.
you have 4 wives,
Yes.
you need this stuff. You should stay in Dubai, make 4 wives.
Make 4 wives. Okay.
Don't go back Washington.
Okay.
Yeah, this is your second house.
Okay. Yeah, it is my second house now. I love it here.
You take a small quantity like this.
Yes.
Direct to put your mouth, then drink milk.
They drink milk.
Do you know what?
Guys, we're on the boat. Enjoy the views. Check this out. It's beautiful. Get off the couch, grab your passport, and come to Dubai. Man, this is a different world over here. It looks different. They see the world differently. Money and the thing out here. These people, you know, they play with money like it's nothing. Some places you can travel and have a tight budget. I have to tell you, Dubai is a tough place to be tight on the budget. Tough place. Just arrived. We're getting off the boat. Next spot, I'm not sure where it is, but let's do it. Not much, man. What's going on?
The spice souk. We're going now to the spice souk. I will explain to you some spices. We'll try some. Then I'll give you some time to do your shopping as well. This way.
So what is this for?
This is Gigi Baba.
Gigi
When
Baba.
you have 4 wives,
Yes.
you need this stuff. You should stay in Dubai, make 4 wives.
Make 4 wives. Okay.
Don't go back Washington.
Okay.
Yeah, this is your second house.
Okay. Yeah, it is my second house now. I love it here.
You take a small quantity like this.
Yes.
Direct to put your mouth, then drink milk.
They drink milk.
Do you know what happened after 5 minutes?
What happened?
You know, machine like Burj Khalifa.
Like Burj Khalifa. So this is
This is all herbal stuff. This is not any chemicals,
It's
no
natural.
any capsule, no any tablets.
Yes.
This is natural. 25 herbs is inside with saffron, with ginseng, and more some herbs. 25 herbs
25.
is inside. No any side effects, no heart attack problem, no
Yeah.
diabetes problem, no blood pressure problem. Okay, you need one time small quantity like this. It's
So
enough.
for people who don't, what is the name? If somebody wants to buy this, what would they ask for? Gigi Baba?
No, this is our language. In English, natural Viagra.
Natural Viagra.
Natural.
Okay.
No any side effect. No
Okay.
any capsules. No any tablets.
Nice. So guys, if you need any of this stuff here, Gigi Baba in Arabic, or you know, you can ask for natural Viagra. This is what it is, and you will have the Burj Khalifa yourself.
Here we have different kinds of tea. This is Arabian red tea. which is good for migraine, for headache, for
Right.
relax, for sleep, stomach gas, for constipation.
Nice.
This is slimming tea for
Slimming
weight
tea.
loss.
Okay.
This is Earl Grey, and this is a herbal night tea for diabetes. We have hibiscus tea for high blood pressure.
High blood pressure.
Smell.
Smells so good.
High blood pressure. And this is Herbal fruit tea.
Smells good.
Fruit tea is good for vitamin A, cholesterol, and good for blood pressure.
Nice.
And also we have the Arabian turmeric tea. This is good for the joints, for bone digestion.
Yes.
And also we have saffron, different types of saffron from Iran.
From Iran.
First quality, second quality, and third quality.
Okay.
And that one is the first. The between is the 50-50.
Yes.
And this is 25% saffron, 75 is rose.
Okay.
And then we have eucalyptus, menthol.
Menthol.
This is getting from the mountain. Somebody asking how is the eucalyptus? Eucalyptus is leaf, tree.
Yeah.
But this is not the only eucalyptus. The crystal is getting from the mountain,
Yes.
then mixed with the eucalyptus liquid. So this is you can use on the charcoal.
Yes.
Shisha charcoal normal. Small, put on the charcoal, then the smoke. And if you don't have charcoal at home, you can use in hot water.
Hot water. Okay.
Small, put in the hot water,
Yes.
take one blanket cover to yourself
Yes.
and smell it. It's good for nose, cough and sinuses. Yeah, sometimes you have cool in the winter season.
Yes.
So this is good for that.
Okay.
When you have this stuff, you don't need to go doctor.
No,
This is
no,
your
no. It's all
medicine.
natural. This is a pharmacy, guys. No need to go to the doctor. Headaches, like dehydration issues, any problems, skin
Headaches.
issues, headaches, whatever.
Nose, block nose.
There's something for everything here.
This is the sandalwood.
Yeah.
It's for burning, for
Yeah.
smell, fragrance.
Yes.
And this is black wood. We have different kinds of wood for
Yes.
burning. Sandalwood, black wood, frankincense,
Yes.
and this is mixed one. Mix is using for the also for burning, for smell. Inside is frankincense,
Yes.
sandalwood, black wood, many kinds.
Okay.
Fragrances inside.
Okay.
This side we have dates, we have some dried fruits, we have nuts, dates, chocolates, perfume or big perfume, and the different kinds of spices for your daily foods.
Yes. All right. All right. Thank you for explaining everything.
so much.
What is your name?
Share.
Sheer.
My name is Share.
Okay. So guys, say hello to Sheer. And thank you for explaining everything. I truly appreciate that. And I said thank you how? In Arabic. How do I say
Arabic,
thank you?
shukran.
Shukran.
Yeah, shukran.
Okay, shukran. All right.
Prices is international. If yes, I'll get you the prices. You take a picture of it and you know how much you should bargain. Here in this market you have 18 karat, you have 21, you have 22, 24. If you buy any gold, you must negotiate the price. To be able to negotiate the price, you should have the prices with you. How many grams and which carat. So 18 karat 1 gram, 168 dirhams. 21 karat 1 gram, 196 dirhams. So if the piece of gold is 10 grams, you calculate the weight into the price of the carat. And then they add something for the making charges. You bring this down as low as you could. If you buy any gold, you must have a receipt. We'll take a walk through the market. The tour ends at the end of this market. I'll show you the taxi stop or the metro station.
So guys, here is the gold market, and you know, there's different prices, obviously based on how many carats you're trying to buy. And this is real gold. This is not the fake stuff that some markets have. So keep that in mind. You can, you know, buy a few jewelry here for your wife, family, whoever. Look at this guy. This is awesome. Look at this. This is the gold market here in Dubai. It's important to know you can always negotiate. You can always negotiate. Personally, I don't wear jewelry, nothing, but I know many of you guys do. So maybe I can check if it's you know, cheaper here. I think it might be, but I'm not sure. And you know, you guys can judge for yourself. Is it worth it or not? It's beautiful things though. Look at that. Hey guys, I'm here in the taxi now, going back to my hotel. It was a great time. Mohammed was really a good guy. He was honest, he was blunt, and he explained a lot of things. I hope, you know, at least it clarifies some of the questions you have about Islam in Dubai. I like to educate myself and not just, you know, look at fancy buildings. so that's what I'm trying to do here. So people have very nice cars here, man. This Uber has a Lexus, man. I'm riding in the Lexus on my way back to the hotel. So anyways, I'm going back right now to relax a little bit and carry on with the second part of my day, which will be a visit to I believe the mall, and then I'm gonna check the process to get into Burj Khalifa, the big building that I think most of you guys are familiar with. It's one of the most iconic part of the skyline here in Dubai. So my understanding is that they have different floors and you have to pay a different price for each of them. My goal is to get all the way to the top, and from my previous videos, I think you're aware I don't like heights. But, you know, as long as I'm standing on solid ground, I should be okay. Anyways, again, I hope everything is well with you guys. Again, thanks for your support. Follow, subscribe, like, and let me know, you know, if you have any questions. Drop some comments, and you know, I really appreciate your support. So, thank you. Another day, another Ivaintures.